Alright, so this video is for the PTC Fast. I know that we used this last year, but we're going to use it again this year. I felt like we had success with it. I'm just going to review how it works. So just remember, what happens first is I need to launch your conference. Once I launch your conference, you're going to get sent an email. Okay? Now the email is going to look like this. It's going to say it came from ptcfast.com. It's going to be a sign-up report. Now what you can easily do is I would flag it, just so then later on you can just look up flagged emails, and there it is right there, PTC Fast. Okay, so that's the easiest thing to do to find that email. If you can't find it, you just ask me, I can resend it to you. Now once you have this email, what you want to do here is you want to click on Manage This Conference. Now this is going to get you into the PTC Fast. Okay, because remember, you do not have a teacher login. There's just a school login, so we're all underneath that school login. Now this shows you who has signed up for your conferences. Okay, you can view the schedule as parents see it. You can send appointment reminders to all parents. You can even print the schedule here. Now you can also go into emails right here, and if you would like to change this, right now I have it set to that all emails, when they respond, if they respond to their invitation to the conference, the email will come to me. But you could always change it to yourself as well. You could change it to teacher. Okay, but right now I have it set as account holder. Alright, now you could also check out your reports and deadlines. Like you can change this too. Right now I have it set up for every Tuesday up until 1 week before the conference. You're sent that email I just showed you with who has signed up so far. Alright, you can also set it to 2 days before the conference and then 1 day before the conference. Alright, so that's all stuff here as well. Alright, now I will show you what it looks like when a parent's going to sign up. Alright, so parents will see a letter like this. Now the letter for middle school is going to be formatted a little differently. The letter for middle school will go home on Blackboard. The letter for elementary school will go home on Blackboard and in paper form as well. Now, this letter will also be on the website, so what parents can do is they're going to go to this link. Now, they're going to sign up. Right now, as you can see, I only have 2 teachers launched, so you can go to Test Teacher 1 and Test Teacher 2. Say I have kids, maybe I have 1 kid with Test Teacher 1 and I have another one with Test Teacher 2. I can submit that. Now, over here, it says that I've selected 2 conferences. Now, I am going to pretend that these are for more than 1 student. Now I can put the names in. Maybe I want to say Joe Smith and then Jane Smith. Now I'm going to be done with the names and I'm going to start to register. Now I can put my own name, John Smith Sr., then my email address, which I can put, I'll just put the school one. I'm going to confirm that, and then my phone number. I'm going to submit this. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to receive an email. I'm going to go back. There's the email there. Now I'm going to select the date and time for the conference. So now both conferences are here. Test Teacher 1 and Test Teacher 2. Also tells you your room number 17 and room number 50. Say maybe I want to come Monday because I can only come at night. So I'm going to choose 5 o'clock and then maybe I'll choose 5:15 for my other conference. If I can't come at night, then I'll come Tuesday, which will be during the daytime. That's it. Very simple. Now I'm signed up. I should get a confirmation email that will go off in just a minute. And if I need to check on my appointment, I can check this email. I could click on the sign-in link, and that will just bring me back if I need to make a change. But as parents start picking the conferences, they're going to, or picking the time slots, they're going to start to disappear. And just as a reminder, if you ever have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you. The most important thing is to save that one email that I showed you in the beginning to where you can click Manage This Conference. Alright, I think this will be an easy format to follow. But again, if you need help, please let me know.